It is Tuesday. It is time to tap. Today I'm sitting on a cushion, tapping with the puppies, coming in to some moments of connecting to my breath and my body, tapping the side of the hand. I will move to the inner eyebrow. If you're brand new here, there's an intro to tapping video, or you can jump right in here. Tapping and breathing. We tap on acupressure points. This helps us reorient our nervous system. Can we find some calm in these times? Outer eyes. Breathing in and out of my nose. Tapping under the eyes. If your glasses are on, I took mine off as you can see, you can tap just below the glasses. Tapping under the nose. Last week we did tapping standing. You can sit in a chair. Tapping and breathing. Taking a moment out of the chaos to check in with your body, your mind, and your spirit. Let's go below the bottom lip, so onto the chin. Below the collarbones. Side of the rib cage. I'm under the armpit on the side of my rib cage. I'm letting this top arm stay relaxed. Tapping the side. Breathing. This is such a simple way to give yourself time. Some presence. It's like taking a peace of mind break. From here all the way to the crown of the head, the top of your head, tapping. Either hand works. Notice your breath. Maybe hear my stomach growling. Tapping. We took a little longer at each point today. Give yourself now a moment to sit with your breath. 1 minute, 5 minutes. Noticing how you feel. Hopefully a little more connected and a little more you. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks for tapping with me.